Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to install Windows 11 on VMware Workstation. Whether you want to test Windows 11, run multiple operating systems, or just experiment safely without affecting your main PC, this guide is perfect for you. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Google. Search for Windows 11. Open the official Microsoft website. Scroll down to the section called Download Windows 11 Disk Image (ISO). Now select Windows 11, choose your language, and click Download. This will give you the official ISO file, which we'll use to install Windows 11 in VMware. Now open VMware Workstation. Click on Create a new virtual machine. Choose Typical, Recommended, and click Next. Select Installer Disk Image File (ISO) and browse to the Windows 11 ISO file you downloaded. Click Next. Give your virtual machine a name like Windows 11. Choose a location where you want to save it, then click Next. Here, you'll be asked to set an encryption password. Go ahead and enter a password, then confirm it. Make sure to remember this password, because you'll need it whenever you modify certain VM settings. After entering the password, click Next to continue. Set the disk size. I recommend minimum 60 GB, better performance 80 to 100 GB. Choose Store Virtual Disk as a single file for better speed. Click Next. Before finishing, click on Customize Hardware. RAM at least 4 GB, 8 GB recommended. Processors, 2 or more cores. Click Close, then Finish. Now power on the virtual machine. Press any key, Windows 11 setup will start. Select your language, time, and currency next. Select keyboard layout, click Next. Now select Install Windows 11. Make sure to check the box to agree to the terms. Once you're ready, click Next to continue. Now you'll see the product key screen. Just click on I don't have a product key at the bottom. You can always activate Windows later after installation. Next, you'll see the Select Image or Windows Edition screen. Here you can choose which version of Windows 11 you want to install. I recommend selecting Windows 11 Pro for full features. After selecting your version, click Next. Now you'll see the license terms. Take a moment to review if you want, then click Accept to continue. Select the virtual disk and click Next. Click Install. Now Windows will start installing. This may take several minutes and your VM will restart multiple times. Now let's complete the initial Windows 11 setup. First, select your country or region, then click Yes. Next, choose your keyboard layout and click Yes again. You'll then be asked to add a second keyboard layout. You can either add another one or simply click Skip if you don't need it. Now, enter a name for your device, then click Next. Your system will restart automatically. After the restart, you'll see the setup options. Choose one of the following: Setup for personal use, or Setup for work or school. If you don't have a Microsoft account, select Setup for work or school. On the sign-in screen, click on Sign-in options. Then choose Domain Join instead. Now enter your username and click Next. You can set a password if you want, or leave it blank and continue. Finally, review the privacy settings. You can customize them if needed, or simply click Accept to continue. Windows 11 will now finish setting up and take you to the desktop. Now for the final and most important step. Go to VMware menu, click VM, and install VMware Tools. Open File Explorer and run the VMware Tools installer. Follow the installation steps and restart your virtual machine. VMware Tools improves graphics performance, mouse and keyboard responsiveness, screen resolution, and clipboard sharing between host and VM. Without this, your VM will feel slow and limited. And that's it. You've successfully installed Windows 11 on VMware. Now you can safely test apps, explore features, or run multiple systems without touching your main OS. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.